Hello.
I'm speaking from Pune, UCO Bank, Pune.
UCO Bank, Pune.
Dixit, yeah.
You're Ashwini Kumar, no?
Yes, I think, yes.
I think you're General Secretary of UCO Bank
Yes.
Retirees Association.
Yes. Correct.
Yeah. Tell me, sir.
I want to know about the Supreme Court verdict. Are they going to give the verdict on which date?
Huh?
Hello, Supreme Court verdict of abduction.
Yeah.
What is the date of that?
See, it is only after reopening of the courts after summer vacation.
Okay.
Probably somewhere towards the end of July.
Okay.
We can expect, or at the most maximum first week of August.
So we can hope that at least the appeal will take place.
Because the court has given order under NISI. NISI order means the court is convinced about the issues involved and right to objection.
Right.
Having the affidavit filed by IBA and the counter affidavit filed by ARISE, Indian Overseas Bank Retirees Association, and all other arguments, papers, and everything, they are with them.
Okay.
They know the facts, situation, and since the cases are coming beyond 9 years. Actually, this case is posted in 2016.
I know.
2016.
Yes.
In Supreme Court.
Yes, I know that.
And actually, this case was filed by Oriental Bank of Commerce Retirees Association, under Sidhu in Punjab and Haryana High Court.
I know.
On that it went against us, and we filed an appeal there. It is filed in 2016. Now it is 2024.
24, yes.
Already 9 years. It is already crossing the Lakshmana Rekha.
Yes, Lakshmana Rekha.
Supreme Court. Now the Supreme Court cannot keep on pending infinitely cases, because the cases will be piled up.
Okay.
It is. So in this process, they have got their own set of guidelines. The Supreme Court.
Right.
So according to their guidelines, Supreme Court guidelines, they have to expedite the cases.
Correct. You are right.
To curtail the backlog.
Correct.
So under that circumstances, they have waited all these years. So IBA could manage it.
Yes,
postponing
I know.
Postponing it. Now it is beyond the scope of IBA to further stretch.
Yes.
They cannot yawn beyond their permissible limits of the jaws.
Correct. You're right.
So that's why. Otherwise, it will be stuck up. So the situation has come now. IBA's jaws are stuck up.
Yes, correct.
Now they know pretty well the case is going to be in our favor.
Yes, right. Correct.
In view of the settled laws and in view of the judgments already pronounced in DS Nakara and also 1684 case.
Yes, correct.
So
hello.
Definitely it is going to come.
I know. I was I telephoned you because nobody knows about this case. Nobody is going to write anything. Nobody is going to tell anything except you. Okay. I am reading every day. I am reading your articles. And you see, I have been to Calcutta on 15th of May. People just talk abolition of pension, but nothing doing. Nobody doing anything. Just shout. Shouting will not help you.
These retiree organizations, they are doing only drama, stage shows. Wearing the t-shirts, caps, and all fashion parades. It is not dharna. You cannot call it dharna. It is only a fashion parade. And they wanted to for levy collections.
Yes. Correct.
So for instance,
I can tell you.
Legal recourse is only long drawn process.
Yes.
In 2001, I filed an Karnataka High Court 1684 case in October.
Yes, I know. I know.
I retired in April 2001. Within 5 months, I filed in 2001.
Very good, very good.
The judgment pronounced by Karnataka High Court was in 2012.
And then?
At 2012. Afterwards, management went for appeal.
Yes.
The appeal was decided only in 2018, February 23rd.
Yes, correct. You're right.
And we got with arrears, with interest, together with interest, everything.
Yeah.
Of course, it took nearly 20 months, 20 years.
Yes.
Almost 20 years.
That's all I'm on.
We have got to put up with the endurance. It is a test for endurance.
Yes, correct. You're right.
So we have got to find out. The basic tenements of trade union is agitate and litigate, because there is no forum for our negotiation.
Murthy sir, I'm telling you one thing. Nobody is bothered about salary. They are just bothered about the fashion parade. They are bothered about money. They are bothered nothing else. Nothing else. There are only few people like Murthy who are sincerely doing some work.
Yeah.
Otherwise, all are just enjoying. Go by plane, have some food drink, shout pension application, and keep it.
That's all.
This is the way. Nobody is actually doing it.
You're exactly right, sir. Ashwin Kumar.
So,
very nice.
I will contact you whenever I want.
You're always welcome, sir. You're always welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
హలో నమస్తే అండి.
నమస్తే భాస్కర్ రావు గారు, చెప్పండి.
బాగున్నారా?
ఫైన్, వెరీ ఫైన్. ఆఫ్టర్ లాంగ్ టైం. వాట్ ఎ ప్లెజెంట్ సర్ప్రైజ్.
అవునండి,
వాట్ ఎ ప్లెజెంట్ సర్ప్రైజ్. చెప్పండి, ఎట్లా ఉన్నారు?
బాగున్నామండి.
మిస్సెస్ భాస్కర్ రావు గారు ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
పర్వాలేదు, కొంచెం ఓల్డేజ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
సార్, ఓల్డేజ్ తప్పదు అనుకోండి, ఇన్విటబుల్. ఇప్పుడు నాకు కూడా జస్ట్ మోకాళ్ళ నొప్పులు స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాయి.
అవునా?
అదే
అదే, మీరు మంచి పని చేస్తున్నారు. దాన్ని చూసి సంతోషం అవుతోంది. దానికి జస్ట్ మిమ్మల్ని గ్రీట్ చేస్తామని చెప్పి కాల్ చేసింది అంతే.
వెరీ నైస్. నైస్ ఆఫ్ యూ.
డూయింగ్ వెరీ గుడ్ వర్క్ ఫర్ ద రిటైరీస్.
we are going to get it. Supreme Court only legal recourse. That is the only ultimate remedy for us.
అవును, మీ ఎవ్రీ మెసేజ్ చదువుతున్నాను. ఒకసారి అదే గుర్తు చేసుకుందాం మిమ్మల్ని అని చెప్పి మీతో మాట్లాడితే కొంచెం బాగుంటుంది కదా.
We worked. I always recollect our Vijayawada.
అవునండి.
When ఉన్నప్పుడు మీరు సబ్ మేనేజర్ గా ఉండేవారు కదా విజయవాడ మెయిన్ లో.
అవునవునవును.
అప్పుడు I also worked as a clerk. అప్పుడు I was clerk.
అవన్నీ గుర్తుకొచ్చినాయి. మాట్లాడదామని.
వెరీ నైస్.
ఎప్పుడైనా ఒకసారి మిమ్మల్ని పర్సనల్ గా మిమ్మల్ని వచ్చి మీట్ అయ్యి
తప్పకుండా. both of you should come. I will give you GPS location.
అదే
you can come.
నేను ఆర్ఎస్ శర్మ అంత చాలా మంది అనుకున్నాము మిమ్మల్ని వచ్చి మీట్ కావాలని.
తప్పకుండా. I will send you the GPS location so that it will be easy for you to come.
ముందు ఫోన్ చేస్తాము.
తప్పకుండా. వెల్కమ్. You are always welcome.
అంత బాగానే ఉన్నారు కదా?
Fine. It is my pleasure to receive you.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.